In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security by requiring a code in addition to your password when logging in. However, if you no longer want to use this feature, you can easily disable it. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. What you want to do next is tap on the Accounts Center. Then scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Account Settings, and in that section you'll see an option called Password and Security. Tap on it. Then tap Two-Factor Authentication. Tap and select your Facebook account. Then you might need to re-enter your Facebook password for security purposes. Then tap and select your current two-factor method. To turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook, simply toggle off this switch. Tap on the Turn Off button to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.